Do you love listening to music and want that authentic, vintage sound from a record player, but you also want modern convenience? All of that is wrapped up into one thing with this amazing record player that I got from ClearSoul. I'm Gina with WTI, and I've never owned a record player before. And so I loved that the setup on this was clear as crystal, and I was able to put it together myself in just a matter of a few minutes. I really appreciated that the tone arms counterweight is preset. And so you just screw that into the arm. Now, if you're like a pro and you want to set it yourself, that can be customizable as well. I love how rich the sound is on this. Some other features that I think are amazing are that you can attach Bluetooth to the speakers. You can also stream the record player to other Bluetooth connected speakers. Not only that, but the 1S vinyl record player that I got comes in the walnut color, and it has a total vintage vibe to it that goes along with my mid-century modern theme, and I just love it. Something else about the design on this that was really important to me is that it has a dust cover. Not only does that help keep things clean, but it keeps my cat out. This record player has exceeded my expectations. I think you're going to love it as much as I do. And that's my point of view.